Are you looking for places where you can acquire backlinks easily? Do you work in a specific niche and look for suitable portals for your content? In Linkhouse, you can filter through a database of portals using over 65 parameters. Use the basic search to find portals exactly matched by tags. Find portals in a specific theme or in a certain language. Set the maximum and minimum price per offer and choose whether you are interested in follow links or those with high indexation only. In the advanced search, you can narrow down the results by various parameters from Ahrefs, SEMrush or Majestic, as well as by offer parameters. For example, you can search for the minimum number of links you can place in an article or filter portals that will quickly publish your content. Here you can also exclude domains that your website already has. To make sure your domain appears in this filter, remember to add it to your projects. Using the search, you will find portals that offer sponsored articles, links in already existing sponsored articles, and advertising banners. You will find the list of searched portals below. The table of offers, apart from the page and possibility of placing a link on it, contains the most important parameters determining its value, such as trust flow, domain rating, or domain authority. If you want to check more parameters, you can find them in the information section. Hover your mouse over the See Offers button to view the details. You will find the information about internal linking, publication time, and for how long your content will appear on the portal's homepage. After selecting right offer, you can additionally order our copywriters to create an article for you. Then add your selection to the cart. Content guidelines form will become available after selecting payment option. If you want to learn more about offer database and also get useful tips to improve your use of Linkhouse search engine, subscribe to the channel and keep watching.